Hi everyone. Welcome back to Crypto Horizon, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today we're diving into an in-depth review of BingX, one of the rising stars in the cryptocurrency exchange world. If you're looking to get started with crypto trading, don't forget to use our BingX referral code CHUCHU to get some exciting bonuses. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about BingX itself. Founded a few years ago, BingX has quickly gained traction in the cryptocurrency market. With a mission to provide a simple and transparent trading experience, BingX offers a variety of services for both new and experienced traders. BingX operates in multiple countries, making it accessible to a global audience. Their mission is to democratize access to cryptocurrency trading by offering user-friendly tools and features. Now, let's dive into the features and services that BingX offers. BingX supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, giving traders plenty of options. Whether you're into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the latest altcoins, BingX has got you covered. Some of the standout features include advanced trading tools like spot trading, derivatives, and copy trading. The copy trading feature is particularly interesting as it allows you to replicate the trades of successful traders, making it a great option for beginners. BingX Earn lets users stake their coins and earn interest, while the BingX Launchpad provides early access to promising new projects. Security is a top priority for BingX. They use two-factor authentication, cold storage for the majority of funds, and regular security audits. Plus, they have an insurance fund to cover any potential breaches, which adds an extra layer of protection. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is essential for any serious trader. BingX also conducts regular security audits to ensure the platform remains secure. Their insurance fund is another great feature that provides peace of mind. Let's talk about trading fees. BingX offers competitive fees, starting at just 0.1%. You can further reduce these fees by using their native token. This makes BingX an attractive option for both small and large traders. Compared to other major exchanges, BingX's fees are very competitive. They also have low withdrawal and deposit fees, which is great for maximizing your returns. The user interface on BingX is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. The website and app are easy to navigate, with all the tools you need right at your fingertips. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll find the platform straightforward and efficient. User feedback often highlights the ease of navigation and the powerful trading tools available. The mobile app is particularly well designed, allowing you to trade on the go with ease. Customer support is another crucial aspect, and BingX doesn't disappoint. They offer 24/7 support via live chat and email. Additionally, BingX has a vibrant community forum and a wealth of educational resources to help you get the most out of your trading experience. Having 24/7 support means you can get help whenever you need it. The community forum is also a great place to learn from other traders and share your experiences. Let's not forget the BingX referral program. By using our referral code CHUCHU, you can earn bonuses and enjoy reduced trading fees. It's a great way to get started and take advantage of some extra perks. Referral programs like this one are a fantastic way to benefit even more from your trading activities. Don't miss out on these rewards. BingX is also committed to regulatory compliance. They have taken significant steps to meet requirements in various jurisdictions, ensuring a safe and legal trading environment for all users. This commitment to compliance helps build trust and ensures that BingX remains a reliable platform for trading. So, what are the pros and cons of using BingX? On the plus side, you have a wide range of cryptocurrencies, competitive trading fees, advanced security measures, and excellent customer support. On the downside, some users have noted that the sheer number of features can be overwhelming at first, and there are occasional regulatory challenges. Overall, the advantages far outweigh the disadvantages, making BingX a top choice for crypto traders. To wrap things up, BingX is a robust and reliable platform with a lot to offer. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, BingX has the tools and features to support your trading journey. Remember to use our BingX referral code CHUCHU when you sign up to enjoy some fantastic bonuses and reduced trading fees. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tips and reviews. Also, let us know in the comments if you've used BingX and what your experience has been. Happy trading with BingX. Until next time, happy trading with BingX. And don't forget to use the referral code CHUCHU.